Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the Roblox 524 error on mobile. If you get this error, the first thing you want to do is go to your browser, like Safari, and search for Roblox private servers, or basically find any server you want to join. After that, copy the server link. Next, open up another tab in your browser, paste the link there, and click Go. You'll see a message saying, "Open this page in Roblox." Tap Open. But this is where you usually get the error message. So here's how to fix it. Open up your Notes app, paste the link you copied, and then tap Done. Now when you click on that link from your notes, it will open correctly, and as you can see, you can join Roblox without the error. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.